Feeling overwhelmed by note-taking app choices? Let's cut through the noise and dive into a head-to-head comparison of Amplenote and Craft to find your perfect productivity partner in just 90 seconds. First up, Amplenote. Its interface focuses on daily journaling and task management, integrating notes and tasks seamlessly. Notice the clean layout and straightforward navigation, designed to keep your workflow focused. Now, let's look at Craft. Craft distinguishes itself with its visually appealing documents and block-based editing. See how you can effortlessly create structured notes with integrated media, making it ideal for presentations and detailed project documentation. Functionality is where these apps really diverge. Amplenote excels at task management tied to specific notes, offering powerful backlinking features for effortless idea connection. Craft, on the other hand, thrives with its ability to create intricate webs of interconnected documents. Amplenote's Jots feature allows you to quickly capture thoughts on the go. Type anything and create quick reminders and tasks. Craft's real-time collaboration features make it a great choice for teams. You can easily share documents and work together seamlessly on projects. If a focus on tasks and scheduling is your priority, Amplenote's calendar integration will be a game changer. Directly link notes to your schedule for seamless organization. If you value aesthetics and creating polished documents, Craft's wide selection of templates will certainly impress. Choose a template to match your unique needs. In conclusion, Amplenote wins for linking notes and tasks together. Craft wins for beautiful design and documents. So, the best app for you depends on your workflow. Choose Amplenote if tasks are important to you or Craft if design is important to you. Now, make an informed decision. Test them both out. The links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity app comparisons.